Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Cooking with Kokab channel, hope you all fine. Today's recipe mango whip. Let's start. Gelatin to tablespoon. Sugar 40 gram. Mango puree to 125 gram. 30 milliliters water to tablespoon. Fresh milk 3 ml 1 to pint. Olbers cream 1 packet. 1 packet biscuits. Add 30 milliliters water. Add to tablespoon gelatin. Stand over a pan of hot water. Stirring until dissolved. Stir into the milk. Cool slightly. Add mango puree, sugar and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Cool slightly. Add milk mixture in mango puree. Mix well. Chill for 1 hour refrigerator. Fold the fruit puree into the cream and mix well. Pour into individual glasses. Chill and serve. Decorate with chopped mango and biscuits. Mango whip is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.